Now, here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Jason Laird.
Good morning, everybody. Tracking another toasty day. Check it out already. 57 degrees in Great Falls, 59 in the capital, low 60s already into northeastern Montana. It's going to be a hot one today. Central Montana, a couple of degrees warmer compared to where we were yesterday. The eastern plains, a lot warmer, about 5 to 6 degrees on average. 95 in Jordan today. Northeastern Montana, 93. Hays a little bit cooler at 86, but overall a very, very nice one. Later in the day, though, we are going to be tracking some stronger storms coming out of southwestern Montana, tracking into central Montana. Likely be a little bit windy with the passage of this system as well. So this afternoon, we're going to start to see some clouds build across central Montana. Cold front is going to start knocking at our doorstep later this evening. We should start to see some rain in southwestern Montana. Right around 5 or 6. That's going to continue to make its way into central Montana and meet up with that colder air mass. As that colder air mass moves through, it'll likely be a little bit breezy this evening as well. Now, we're not looking at super widespread storms, but some isolated, strong, possibly severe thunderstorms not out of the question this evening into tomorrow morning. So just kind of keep an eye to the sky there. Overnight lows aren't going to be too bad given that colder air settling in, but still looking at the 50s, mid-50s in central Montana, mid-60s for overnight lows in eastern Montana. By Thursday morning tomorrow, we're still going to likely see some isolated, stronger storms into northeastern Montana. That colder air will continue to settle in on Thursday with a couple spotty showers. Really, the take-home message is most of the rain is going to be tonight into tomorrow morning with some spotty lingering showers throughout the day or first part of the day on Thursday, and then kind of clearing up as the day plays out. But the biggest impact is check out temperatures. We're going from the 80s and 90s down to the mid-70s. So a pretty aggressive cold front dropping through here tonight. That's going to allow for 74 in Great Falls, 77 in the capital. A couple lingering 80s there throughout the eastern plains. But don't worry, Friday we're going to rebound. High pressure is going to rebuild across the state. That's going to push us back up into the 80s and a couple of 90s throughout the eastern plains. Long term on Friday, again, that high pressure ridge is going to start to kind of rebuild across the state, but it's not going to stick around long. Saturday, that ridge is going to start to flatten out a little bit, and our next weather maker, which this one's going to pack a punch, is going to start moving in. Saturday, few isolated storms not out of the question, but for the most part it should be a nice day. Sunday, on the other hand, more widespread moisture is expected primarily in the afternoon. That area of low pressure is going to continue to wrap significant amount of moisture across the state Sunday night into Monday, and we'll likely continue to see some showers throughout the day Monday into Tuesday as well. And rainfall estimates are pretty impressive with this system, possibly 1 to 3 inches of total precipitation. So recap here, low pressure trough, that's going to bring us rain overnight. High pressure is going to build into the weekend, but big rainmaker is going to be knocking at our doorstep Sunday night through the first part of this next week. Here's how it comes together over the next 7 days. 87 today. Again, a couple stray showers earlier in the afternoon, but really overnight is when that rain's going to move in with a couple of lingering storms into Thursday. As for the capital, 85 today. We are going to rebound temperatures a bit Friday, but then Saturday, scattered storms, more widespread storms likely on Sunday, and then much cooler temperatures to start out the first part of this next week. Shannon?